collaboration, expression, citizenship and inspiration. Those 4 values underpin our ethos with regards to how we want our pupils to develop.
With us being Wirral based, we've all taught in Wirral, most of us live on Wirral, we've got a real aspiration for our schools to serve Wirral children.
The values of the Trust actually came from a group of head teachers working together collaboratively. We thought that was really important rather than me saying what it is, and they've come up with these fantastic vision and values which are now becoming embedded across all of the schools.
I started my career as a head teacher within the Trust. The amount of collaboration that we do, the values that we have across the Trust are always so highly regarded by everybody.
It's a really friendly team, it's a flat structure. We all work solidly together to get the best outcomes for our schools.
It's a really supportive culture. We are collaborative, we share best practice, we achieve excellence together. I'm really proud to be able to work in such a supportive environment.
What I like about my role is how rewarding it is. So actually improving schools across the Wirral and improving life chances for children. We want to make sure that our settings are inclusive. We have really high aspirations for our pupils to ascend, and we're ensuring that we've got everything in place to be able to support them.
The best part of my role is working alongside lots of schools and working with staff to make the experiences of the children the best that they can be.
The Trust is led by a strong Trust board and a strong Trust executive team, and we all work together under one umbrella for our Wirral families.